Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video and don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, my name is Steve Reichard. I had this 67 Plymouth GTX for 45 years. Bought it in 1978. I actually found the car in a garage. It was on its way to a junkyard 2 days after the time I bought it, if I didn't buy it. So I made a deal with the owner and ended up buying the car for $50. It was my high school car. Took it to numerous car shows, Mopar Nationals, meets like that. Definitely street driven all the time. Stock 440. It's mostly still the original motor. Just turned 80,000 miles on it yesterday. Automatic trans, 8 3/4 rear end, 323 posi, all the stock stuff. I did the paintwork on the car in early 80s, so it's about 40 years old. The paint on it, this is black lacquer that's on it, and this was just painted in a used car lot that we used to own, and in the back bay. So it wasn't a resto place or nothing, more or less just a paint job.
What kind of wedge do you use?
Just use like the McGuire's products for maintaining it the way it is.
Well done, well done. So go ahead, I didn't mean to.
No, that's all right.
And then the interior looks spectacular. What about car show awards? Have you won?
Yeah, actually, I had a lot of car show awards with it. This was even, I had it back in the amphitheater back in the late 70s, whenever it was, yeah, early 80s. But like I said, it's driven everywhere, so it's not trailered. My family enjoys it as well. My daughter loves driving the car, with me, of course, because she's got a heavy right foot.
There you go.
And yeah, that was definitely my high school car.
I'm talking about, you don't see this.
Yeah.
You don't see that like that, rarely.
Mm-hmm.
And is this original placement for that?
For the yes. Yeah, that came there. Like the same type you'd see like on the top of a Charger quarter panel. Yeah. Thank you.
And so you painted this car yourself?
Yes.
And it's one paint job, or you've done it again?
No, it was painted once in early 80s. It's about 40 years old, the paint that's on it right now.
Wow.
Yeah.
You did a great job. And
thank you.
And, this car is really, really, really straight.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
For all those years and stuff like that?
Yeah, all the work that was done on it, I've done it. I did all the mechanical, whatever, body work, paint work.
Nice. And then do you have any special exhaust?
No, it's pretty much a stock exhaust system. It's got some little louder mufflers on it than stock.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just because my stock ones blew up one time, and my buddy gave me these, so I put them on.
Right.
We were in a...
Can we take a look at the engine on it?
Sure.
All right, so tell the viewers what we're looking at here.
It's a stock motor that came with it. Actually, the motor's never even been out of the car. This is the motor that was in it when I got it.
Neat.
I've replaced a lot of gaskets along the way. I kind of just did whatever it needed. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Like if the heads needed to be done, or oil pan gasket, that kind of stuff. But
Right.
it's still a standard 440 Super Commando V8.
Sure. And you know what? And since we're at the end of a show line,
Mm-hmm.
you got noisy helicopters and planes.
Mm-hmm.
Can we hear the exhaust?
Sure.
We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it.
Thank you for watching, and thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
Our favorite YouTube channel is US Classic Muscles Car. Let's go for a ride.